the whole Yasina. Open our bow with a pad. Most Sien and Chia Baku 32 was as.
Anytime you begin to take action and you start breaking houses, people think that government is inhumane.
Your mom might depend on nonsense. Won't come out so. Sacra shall many times.
But I just want to express my sympathy with people who have lost property.
Can't go down and tell Uncross Beyonce in Janani Panjun. Can't go sit down.
Penyifo e na omuka omu asem say asem kese ebesia frank ayede ensi so na busia don't forget say sa update ya me di brɛ no because of sa flood ya see this week yi busia nipa bako 12 ewuye no eno ene nkrofo kyerem say sa nipa omuwuye no omubusiafo enkodan John Dramani Mahamaka because NDC for omu rituals bia omukoto na ntwe bako 32 ebeye ye no eno hu side effect ene ye hu no ebusia niam isra ni so be like video no subscribe na comment comment section stand be ebusia ye be hu stand na ebusia asem no efihi ene ekohi nti ebusia so wa Ghana ha say kwan de menim say what is say mama or my directive be say obi si dan na dan no esi insuo mu anase esi Ramsey site bebi a ya reserve man insuo say insuo to a enkota ho anase nipa na si dan esi gota bebi a wo say insuo to a oho na ebefa no yembu sa dan na ede engu na busia abra national security for any penyifo mu gusu a ede omu bubu dan no na omu kwa bubu papa yi a ye fe ni Bishop Bediako ono na oye the founder and leader of Jesus Eagle Kingdom International Ministry na busia omuko bubu na asore dan ba kwa ewo pantan no oha na papa we be make allegations o see
me continue mosquito fie me na me kuna jema kuma ko 32 enya no na you can do your video be me mo bim any boy this ana go me ba
Nebusia abra o make this allegation we no na ebinum say allegation we are all making no our evidence and na so evidence ewe hin oho na waba second time abusia hit wasade aba no esewani
ne enti a meka words bi te say me kumunantwie makoma 32 no ema NDC for no me wo evidence me won bisa simebo e de me say simachi say me wo evidence afetie ni ye meka say me body na mosquito dingo je say ninkatia dingo no kre me kodifie no kre me special aid me kodifie na ohono me nka ho asem ye mfa nto waza afetie ni ye ne ma meka say me kumunantwie makoma 32 no me ye sunsun sore sofo nto hwe matade na wo say me ye sunsun sore sofo me nya charismatic me nye orthodox me ye sunsun sore sofo na enu achi no me bo say me abo NDC din obi wa achi pinche ni koso no obi kan say somebody or MPP for ni bi that was the word that me tell ya me bufu ya no so me guys me ye MPP ni me ye NDC ni enti me chire bu say me ye NDC ni na me bo NDC kura ma NDC be ni akunwa me kumunantwe mako 32 region ni nyina me bo all ties e wo region bia every from Asante region to Northern region to Brunhafu to Hefa region bia ni wa men tuka anko me bo all ties wo be bia me na me ma NDC ni akunwa wo omunya majority omunya abato do kwa Kumasi. Yes, it's me me yenia mania mankasa de mawo na me mpa me me obi a me mpekasa enti me nka ho asem aseda so mo de ba ko mo fa maaye aseda e wo so mo da o mo de ba no o mo fa maaye iso ta ponchire ni a oje wo enti tsuwa pa se anka mababu aso dan mo ko anka mo wie na anka mo ko mbedu mo titi wo o mo tena ho fiti awia 12 o'clock up to anumre 9 o'clock as no free ho na mo tete wo ye de yin government officials na mo tete wo na mo ye de yin I saw that anything I'm buying. Mobu I saw that every man cock muti was from 12 o'clock up to and you made 9 o'clock as you free. Oh, what I met you way. Now I met you and say also order from above. Young in a Ghana for na Nana or 2 4 said to whatever my body and my muso. Mehine Nana I can't say which I can send you a media and so say and mere ye ninka so. Nana or 2 4 said to whatever my body can't say more. Or say a mere ye ninka so. A mere ninka so. A mere ninka so. Nan your ball pono. Me a me ball pono. Me na minimum kwa me fast befa asane pono. Me na mkacho. Obi pa onka se wa bene. Would you almost about bene? Would cry there? You see, Obi who say, I be futiniano, it be it. Now 4 years no, Eberson. Yawagana, you be see, you be see.
Ebusia to ubu mi pese mi walk you through the story. Sene beya ubeti bibia se nebusia abra na okasa no na ebinum eche se oye NPP ni a ya boni pa se ombe gudwon amani ma se eno na obekirem se oye NDC ni mapa.
Me a full NDC, me a NDC ni mapa. General Mosquito ni me pa. Ni special aid o ni me pa. Ni pa bebre ni me pa, but me nka ho asem bi.
Fast forward, and this week, Science no, ya nipa bako 12, wuye. Up to now, crano, yaguso ede, ye discover another dead bodies and no cry de enka 12 ni hu. Nebusia, uka isa brana insionito no, John Dramani Mahama, efa helicopter, auditor akra nyina, nebusia, owie no, okasaye.
We just finished an aerial tour of Accra to inspect the flooded areas. Unfortunately, the flooding has been very extensive today for several reasons. There's climate. If you look at the rainfall pattern from 2024, 2025, 2026, you see that increasingly every year we're getting more rain in Accra than we used to get. Accra is built between two natural bodies, the Kwapim Mountain Range and the Atlantic Ocean. And in those years, it was not a problem because Accra was a very small city. But as the population continues to increase and people continue to build, it restricts the path of the streams on their way to the Atlantic. So that's an engineering problem. We need to see how to open the channel so that the water can pass. But then there's also the other aspect, which is attitudinal and human behavior. That is dumping garbage in the drains. Even in the air, we discovered many illicit dumping sites where the wetlands are. People have gone to create a waste dumping ground, and they charge 20 cedis for the Aboboya to come and fill the waste into the wetlands. And when it has filled sufficiently, they sell the land to people to come and build on it. Anytime you begin to take action and you start breaking houses, people think that government is inhumane. But when the problem arises like this flood, it affects everybody. And so all of us have been affected because of the conduct of a few people blocking the channels and preventing the water from passing. And so we'll call a National Security Council meeting. We're asking every district to identify, together with the Works and Housing Ministry, where the blockages in the channels are as they pass through the district assemblies, so that we can earmark those places for removal. You see, they've even filled part of the waterway with garbage.
Yes, sir.
And then all these people are built here. You're in the park. Yes, sir. Ultimately, the other solution will be to decongest Accra. And that's why we're planning that we move some of the city out, that is the major government departments, and then also create a new center of growth so that our people will start building outside Accra in a new city instead of everybody looking for some space in Accra to build. So, but that's a long-term solution. But I just want to express my sympathy with people who have lost property. Loss of property has been very extensive, and I want to thank the military, NADMO, the police, and the Hydro Works and Housing Ministry, and all the emergency response team, 48th Engineers Regiment, for the rescue that they did. I've asked the Minister of Finance to release some money from the contingency fund so that we can do some post-flood relief for persons who have been affected.
Saa dia we are John Dramani Mahama ye no. Eno eni nkofo bi say omunti asie. Ai busia mami ba kwa ye fe ni Camilla Hassan. Ono so ye dey odi another expose eba abonti na busia. Insem a okan ye ni de mano eswa.
What if flight mu na why say? Unkuwa wo ba ye. Circle I show many times. Unkuwa wo betena so. Circle I show many times. Mo sie nentwie baku 32 wasase ase. Simply because by hook or crook. Ese obedi ade ase edin ketia ye ni pese. Sami Jemfi Sam George di asem no manka. Sa flooding we de ye hu bi da. E wo mo se ye tonsuo pa nsuo to. A we de broso. Nkuwa obaye. Nkuwa obaye amagana bre. Yamana mwesie no doson. Amagana wadi we chase we dimi ankasa. Nkuwa obaye. Ye kwaka ye se man ka. Say we hu. Uti flight mu. Wo yo be man ka say wo fa car. Nanka wo nante Ghana asase so nanka wo beti pen. Won say warehouse kura ne amefa. Nsuo fa ne ama wo warehouse. Ama nsuo nkrofo so gina mu yidi o mu pe. Don komi no. Ade bi wo ha papa ye nye. Nso wo de also be ye. What so what play mu. E na wo check 24-hour economy man. Wo check 24-hour market a wo be si mamba. Omu kofi omu hu be bonti. No ma akojare because omu kodru fia. Omu kunu nu be ka so omu jare. Omu hu bon. Wo ye ma Mike pe na wo be nonsense. Saso be koto. Da be na be started. We start with Central Region. Obia be started to Obia Central Region. Kan ko pe be bitna se. To be na we ko. Nsu to. Kan ko da lodi na nche. Nkran sa Beyonce ni nche na nipa ndwene no. Sa we hu. Wuti ha. Wo se wo mfa ma ye friend say. Hwan form omu nye adwuma no. Wo de be man krofo foforo. Mfa ma assembly. Mfa ma sanitation bio. Anya wa. Sa sanitation for disika. Yakodi loan na breast sanitation for mfa nye hwe. Na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for. Na wo je ye no. Enya wa. Circle hwe no circle shi ta. Nshi otonso na baby shi. Hey! Who ya dio? Nkwa ho ba eja hihie. Hey Mr. Pad. Unya ba perfect intro. Ese wo che pad. Saka wide. Wo do se pad na be ye bibia ma. Ntu tukoso no wakisi nwe. Wo chire bia nkasa. Se wa sa akoto alumia babi. Na do train na okoto ye no. Ni de okofa ba ye. The same thing. Wasa akoto alumia, wasa akoto kafruban. Asa abakro mu ha bio. Adenti na wo tete ho sa. Wono wa na ekwa challenge. Train na masa akoto no. Minister of Highways and den. Your friend say train and hwan mo akoto aba no. Train de se mo ntwitwa na alumia as soon as possible na mo anton mo behu. Na den de asema. Is it that is incompetency or what? Train ye wo bi. Nana do eje bi instead of so be power no na aye adwuma no wasa akofa konko aba saa na ete na akofa abobulance bai wasa akofa konko nana do train okoto bai ne de oto bai na the same thing na ye papa we kura dan ya trains kananka wo de makokofo ana say necessaries uchi ya anka honum no solve problem jama nkofo na okoto tre wo mo no ni o ma sign contract wa kakra be de tire mu be chedi I felt in Riamu na YSA. I don't want me a crowded flight, a chopper and a helicopter. Me bad because a helicopter. And I would call it. A better than I won't tell you no one shall gun idea coso. Uncle Fu ye Juma, who by what to sell more sanitation for Ministry of Sanitation more ye. Oh, I also a dear film. 1 year, 6 months in it. You see, I cry for yourself. Company now book at flooding a funny amount of Fusujina more. Oh, Mahama, who pay? Wally Van Dam. It never seems to amaze nipa daseni. Ana wutu belemu, light bell wutu water belemu. Adia sa uya wunye. Tray ya wakwato abe tray yedi kwa sasade. Yedi kwa fa atuku kwa na yoko fade. Woni ano to yenu is it force? I sa upesa woni MPP for woni yoko challenge. Is it force? Sikana ye hia dia ya de nye no ne hia. Asa akofa konko aba. Mebwa 24-hour economy market man. Hospital sisi ho. Unye. Insure ya tuto yesi ebewi atata. Entontomo so bebewi nipa. ama nipa benya malaria nkwala benya malaria busumi ya ewu ochina eye 1st July from 1st July so ni be start aba from kakra obetokra ontoto akakra kasa afa na ntontom so bedi him because nwura ba befu ya ye bo spray still nwura ba befu papa concert na wuyi na alignment na wuyi niema na ehu hia na wuyi no papa katra wo dining hall prophet no katra me say Ombiebe hospital na Manivigo and Vim no Ombiebe hospital because ntontom beri nipa ko hospital nya usika because health insurance no kura nya papa mahama care no kura wo de ba na nya papa bibia wo betu ni di nso ntimi ye papa kacha kwabina minta kando se Camilla me say ntontom ba wi ye be hia hospital buncha nurse fo ne careers ni chichese no na the center Ombiebe hospital no because nsu ato ntontom afa no mbe wo mienu miensa mesro we bia wote soro ho na wo hwe concept nko alignment nko atro we na wo say ma 5 years no say wokuta majority we your friend say parliament house into the takrebe no omasu de aboni ki afa dia fo mu trum into say some ya amendment na ma 5 years anka nipa obetena sa yes committee nipa dia oto na ja tom tom nyina mu hu bebi ombefa muti opposition sa me jamfi mu nyina we ni nso na nadu yin 8 years nso yiri Ghana da ewo mu se nyame na ye na ade ba niema na mu de sha asase ase mu siese mu na ntwe 32 ni niema ne ho niema mu sie ye mu wie ye mu chepad ka mu chesu na president the whole Ghana the whole globe the whole wiasina open na oba wo chepad Mr. Pad 24-hour economy man 24-hour nkoko kan go sit down so ye no wo krom ha siama yanya
ebusia ebinum trema nsema maame ni ka no because of near Bishop Bediako obeka ye no eno na maame ni so ye dey onya mu bia odi kasa na ebinum so si ebia no na NDC for any NPP for no omunim niama omuye because okasa ni nyina no onkasa ti se ade a osro okasa ti se obi a okita evidence ebusia yen sha wo comment section like the video no subscribe don't forget say your friend me Amanuo aha Golden News TV piao ya crowd